Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a new Ultra HD 4K 60 frames per second FPV drone system designed for capturing stunning aerial visuals. This quadcopter aims to provide a high-quality flying and filming experience. One of its standout features is the high-definition anti-shake 4K 60 frames per second video capture capability. This allows pilots to record ultra-clear aerial footage, ensuring that dynamic flight maneuvers still result in smooth, stable video, which is crucial for professional-looking FPV content. The drone is equipped with efficient and powerful 1804 motors. These motors are designed to provide smooth and responsive flights, giving the pilot precise control whether performing acrobatic tricks or simply cruising for cinematic shots. Durability is also a key aspect of this drone's design. It's constructed with high-toughness, impact-resistant materials, including grain-cut carbon fiber. This robust build means the drone can withstand the inevitable bumps and crashes that come with FPV flying, offering peace of mind to the pilot. Further enhancing the video stability is the advanced TPU shock absorption system. This technology helps to isolate the camera from vibrations during flight, contributing to clearer and more stable imaging. For added visibility, especially during twilight flights or for a unique look, the drone features an embedded cob light strip within the propeller guard. This not only serves a practical purpose for orientation, but also adds an aesthetic appeal. Looking at its special features, the drone is marketed as beginner-friendly, suggesting it incorporates modes or controls that make it accessible to those new to FPV. It's also app-controlled, allowing for easy setup, parameter adjustments, and potentially flight modes or viewing the live feed. A long battery life is listed as another special feature, which is always a significant plus for FPV drones, enabling longer flight sessions and more time in the air capturing footage. As a drone with a camera, its primary function is aerial videography and photography. The effective still resolution is listed at 12 megapixels, providing decent quality for aerial photos. While main highlight is the 4K 60 frames per second video. It's worth noting the specifications also mention 1080p video capture, perhaps as an alternative recording mode or for live feed transmission. Designed for adults, this isn't a toy but a serious piece of equipment for aerial enthusiasts. The black color gives it a sleek and professional look. Overall, this drone system appears to be a capable platform for pilots looking to get into or advance their FPV videography with high-resolution, stable footage, and a durable, responsive airframe.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.